Google search algorithm updates, Google spam update, Google core update, or any other type of Google search algorithm updates. People are losing ranking of their article from Google, or some of the people are actually losing their website from the Google is vanishing their website articles and also remove their article from indexed. Why are this is happening? Because people are spamming and breaking the Google's privacy policy rules and making spam to Google. So if you are a beginner or you are going to create a new blog or website, or just started a blog or website but don't know the rules about how you can create a successful blog website and how you can become a successful blogger, then this video is for you. Because in this video I'm going to share with you how you can learn Google search algorithm and the rules you should follow if you want to be a successful blogger. Because in this video I'm going to share you 10 things you should follow, actually 10 things you should not do if you want to protect your site from Google search algorithm. Also I will share with you some rules you must follow if you want to be a successful blogger, or if you want to rank higher or keep ranking higher on the Google search result. So without any further delay, let's learn Google search algorithm and protect our site from Google search algorithm updates. Hello, myself Antor from Earning Acceleration, and as you already know, this video we are going to discuss about some rules through which we can protect our site from falling rank from Google search algorithm update. Also how to keep our website improving ranks day by day on Google. So actually at first I'm going to discuss with you 10 things you must avoid while you are creating your blog or website. And among those 10 things, the first thing is cloaking. Okay, what is cloaking? Let's say for example you are creating a blog post about coffee, or let's say this is how to make coffee, but your article contains link which takes user to a drug post or and website which contains jewelry links, which is completely irrelevant to your article. This type of thing is called cloaking. So if you are putting this type of things through your article or irrelevant links to your article, then your website or your article will be considered as cloaking. So if you're doing cloaking, then Google will not rank your article. So must try to avoid cloaking. Now number 2 is DuRues. So what is DuRues? DuRues means putting link shortener type of URL through your blog post. Actually you can use shortened URL which takes the user directly to the destination page, but if you are using link shortener which will make you money for promoting their link shortening, and actually this type of shortened URL contains the user to reach to the destination page, he have to follow multiple pages. So let's say for example you are putting an URL and telling the people that you can watch the video from this link, and people click that link, but he didn't go to the video page directly. He needs to go through a multiple pages to reach the destination page. This type of thing is called DuRues. So don't try to put URL or shortened URL which contains multiple pages to go to the destination link, otherwise your website will consider as spamming. Now number 3 is keyword stuffing. What is keyword stuffing? Keyword stuffing means you are forcefully using your keyword in multiple sentences or a lot of time through the article. This is called actually keyword stuffing. So as an example, let's say you are writing a post about how to make coffee, and the post contains a paragraph like that: today I will show you how to make coffee. If you want to know how to make coffee, I will write there to guide you about how to make coffee. So don't worry about how to make coffee. This is an example of keyword stuffing. You are telling the people about how to make coffee and using this keyword multiple times and forcefully to the article. This is called keyword stuffing. So you must try to avoid keyword stuffing if you want to keep ranking or if you want to keep growing on the Google search algorithm. Now another very important thing is hacked content. What is hacked content? Hacked contents means you are collecting articles or information from other website and you are putting that information as it is on that website, means you are copying others articles, and this type of things is called hacked content. So don't copy others article and directly put on your website. This will consider your website as a spam and Google will automatically remove your article from the Google search algorithm or from the Google search result if your website contain multiple article which is copyrighted. So even don't try to copy a single sentence from other websites to write any article to your website. Okay, now I am going to share with you my personal opinion at the number 5 rules that you should avoid while creating blog or website, or if you want to protect your site from any type of Google search algorithm update. Maybe a lot of people will be disagree with me, but it is just my personal opinion I am going to share with you. So if you are interested about this rule, you can follow this, otherwise you can avoid this, but it is my personal opinion. So number 5 things that you should not do while creating your blog website, or if you want to get rank higher on Google search algorithm, that is, don't run after backlinks. I know a lot of people will be disagree, but it is my personal opinion, because after the recent Google algorithm spam update, Google has removed a lot of website having high domain authority, but their website contains a lot of do follow backlinks, and Google has been removed that type of articles or that type of website from the Google search algorithm. Also a lot of website who are actually spamming means let's say, for example, you have an article and you are finding other articles related to your article and other websites article, and you are putting your article links on the comment of that post. This is considered as a spam by Google, and if Google find multiple activity like this, Google will automatically remove your article from even Google search indexed. So don't do this, and don't comment your article link on other blog post. Also don't run after backlinks if you can, but you can share your post on various type of social media, which is completely allowed by Google, and Google will never disallow with this. But I will personally recommend you to don't run after backlinks. Otherwise, if you do any type of shortcut things to rank higher on Google very fast, you may got the rank for a few days or a few months, but after then when Google find that you are misleading to rank your article on the Google, then Google will completely remove your article. Maybe your website can also be ranked out completely from Google search result. So don't try to phishing Google search algorithm. Now the 7 most important thing that you should avoid while creating your blog or website, that is, don't use traffic exchange or any type of bot generated traffic. Only rely on legit human traffic, and don't run after traffic exchange or bot generated traffic. Otherwise Google will consider your website as a spam and you will never ever get even Google AdSense approved, and your website will not gonna be ranked on Google. Now hey, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and also if this video you find useful for you, then don't forget to like the video and comment something relevant to inspire me. Also share the video with your friends. Now our number 8 rules that we shouldn't do, and the rules that we should follow in order to protect our site from Google search algorithm update, or if you want to rank our website higher on the Google, and that is, don't use AI contents. What is AI contents? AI means artificial intelligence, which is robot generated contents is actually called AI content, which is not written by human. Actually that is a robot which is maybe somebody is programmed, but which cannot generate articles which is a human can generate, because AI contents are robot made, which is not natural look like and which is not readable as human written. So don't go run after AI contents, because after the recent update Google has been removed all of the website contains AI related contents. So don't write any single article using AI tools. Also, when you are creating a review post like an affiliate product review, then don't exactly copy the affiliate description of the affiliate owner site. Just gather information from the affiliate product description and write it by your own and modify it and then publish on your website article. Don't put the product description as it is on the affiliate page. Now, number 9 rules that we should follow and the thing that we should not do while creating our blog if you want to be successful in blogging, and that is, don't provide fake promise. If you are going to say something that you are going to provide some services to after reading that post, or you are putting a link from which people are going to be benefited, but people actually are not getting benefited from your post or from that link, if you do this type of thing, then Google will also consider it as a spam and your website will got strike. And if your website got multiple strike, then Google will outrank completely your website from Google search result. So do not provide fake information or do not provide fake promising things to your article. Now, rules number 10 and the thing that you should not do, and this is also my personal opinion and I am not forcing you to follow this, but it is my personal opinion that don't create any automated website. Don't create any automated news website, don't create any automatic blog website, don't create any type of automatic software service providing website, because automated blog website may be, or automatic news website may be provide you a temporary income, but it will not an ideal way to become successful in blogging. So don't run after this. So now you already learned the 10 things that you should not do while you are creating your blog website, and if you follow all of these rules, you will definitely successful in blogging one day, and you will protect your site from any type of Google search algorithm, and Google will never consider your site as a spam, and you will be rank higher after day by day. Now I'm going to share with you 5 things that I personally follow and I will suggest anybody if they wants to be successful in blogging. So you must follow these 5 things if you wants to be successful in blogging. Number 1 thing is keep people's trust and grow trust of your readers. So don't provide any fake information on your website, or don't provide any fake promising posts to your website that provide actual value to the user. So try to produce quality content and try to keep people's trust. Number 2 is don't run after backlinks. You can promote your website through various type of social media, Google ads, YouTube ads, but do not run after backlinks. This is actually my personal opinion. I usually do not run after backlinks. I know that your post may take 6 to 10 months to rank on Google, but it is nice because when you organically rank higher on the Google and you genuinely got ranked, Google will never remove your article and Google will value your website and will never rank you out from the Google search result. Number 3 is write contents by your own or hire expert content writer, but don't run after AI contents. And number 4 is do not waste your time after bot traffic. Try to generate human traffic. You can get traffic from social media, but do not generate bot traffic or do not use any type of traffic exchange platform, and always try to produce quality content. Now number 5, the 5th rules that you should follow, and this is last but not the least, and that is generate original contents and publish on a regular basis. If you have a blog website, you must start creating publishing posts on a regular basis and don't go for various types of category. If your website contains 5 type of category, at first post one category, at least 10 to 15 posts on a particular category, and then go to the second category and publish on it 10 to 15 posts and so on. Don't put one article on one category and other article on other category. Let's say for example you have a website which is writing about sports, so don't write one post about bungee jumping, one post about football, one post about cricket. You must post on a category basis. At first select a category and write at least 10 to 15 posts on that category, and then you will build an authority to Google that your website is actually putting content about a particular category, and Google will give you an authority about that particular category. When you build trust on Google, then you can move to the second category and write 10 to 15 posts on that category, and then jump to other categories by this way. So that's all for today. Work hard and be passionate and work honestly. Success will definitely come to you one day. Don't forget that. On the upcoming days, I will put videos about blogging, affiliate marketing, and also you will find different type of keyword research videos, and how to do keyword research for a new website, how to do keyword research for an article, how to do manual keyword research, and how to write post that will rank number 1 on Google, or any other type of blogging related and affiliate marketing related videos. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like the video and share the video to your friends. Thank you.